And why was it so important to you to make sure that your daughters grew up with this Jewishness?
I usually say, and I believe it, there's too much history and there's too much that my parents went to survive, that I don't want to be in the generation that weakens or breaks the link. And it may sound hokey, but that's been my motivation for my career in the Jewish world. And it was very important to me that, number one, it not hurt. My parents would have been devastated, and I worked very hard not to have that happen. And I totally believe it, and